Hello, good evening everyone. I am Harpreet from NIME once again on our YouTube channel 9 Year. And today I have with me right now Dr. Gurpremjeet Singh, and he has done a very fantastic job by scoring a marvelous rank in PGI exam May 2016. He has scored rank 3 in PGI and rank 10 in NIMHANS and rank 32 in AIMS. So today we'll ask him how did he do this great job. We'll like to ask him certain questions so that our audience or viewers can get benefit out of it. So Dr. Gurpremjeet, first of all, I would like to congratulate you. You have done a great job. How are you feeling after this all?
I'm feeling great, and I'd like to thank God and my mother and father who helped me in this journey. And finally, my hard work has paid.
Great, that's good. So now we'll come to the topic straight away. How to prepare for these exams, especially for PGI. I'll ask him one of the toughest exams in India. How did he crack and get such a good rank in it? Sir, what was your method of preparation on वो कैसे आपने prepare किया क्या आपकी strategy रही?
First of all, the basic thing is to start your preparation as early as possible. And if you are in new final or old final, you should start in new final or old final for those subjects. And if you are in intern, you should start as early as possible, starting from January, because you have to complete your syllabus up till July or August, so that you can at least do 2 revisions before the November exams. 2 revisions are very necessary for cracking any of the AIMS, PGI and NIMHANS. And if you are focusing on May exam, you should at least have 4 revisions, which are necessary for these. Good guidance is very necessary. For example, NIME gave me a good platform, though all the teachers gave me good guidance and were helpful in my preparation. That is very necessary in this.
So that's great. That's what study plan Dr. Gurpremjeet Singh followed. My next question to you, sir, would be: what were your weak areas? What did you do to cover those weak areas? And next, what were your strong areas? So we'll start with the weak areas first. What subjects were weak areas that on which you covered, and how did you do that?
First of all, that is the first prof and second prof subjects. There is a lot of gap because of the internship and the old final year. So everyone has weak subjects in first and second prof. My weak subjects were anatomy and physio. Now in the November exam, I was not able to perform so well because of the first and second prof subjects. So these were the first thing which I started in January. Anatomy is very tough. Anatomy and physio is very tough in AIMS exam. So I started with anatomy and then physio. And first of all, I covered my weakest subjects and then coming to the strongest. After that, revisions are very necessary.
Sir, one more thing, like if our viewers who will be appearing in next exam, just I'll ask you your timetable, like in a day, how many hours you studied and what was the specific time on which you kept for studies and for MCQs.
Now, till the November exams, because of internship, we were able to study for 8 to 10 hours. But 1 or 2 months before the exam, at least 12 to 14 hours is necessary. But for this May exam, you should at least study 10 to 12 hours. The productive time should be 10 to 12 hours.
Right. So apart from that, did you also join any? Did you do any MCQs? How much time you devoted to MCQs on test series and all?
Now, in the preparation, we should, because ultimately we have to solve MCQs in those 3 hours. So MCQs are very important. Solving MCQs are very important. 80% of the time you should do theory and 20% of the time you should do MCQs. Then you are starting your preparation. But coming near to the exam, you should do it 50-50%. 50% of the time you should do theory, revision, and 50% of the time you should do MCQs.
Right. And what specific books did you follow for the subjects? Any guidance would like to give to the audience?
Now starting with the first prop, first of all in AIMS exam, there are a lot of images from anatomy, physio. Now anatomy images you should see from Netter. Netter's atlas, because most of the images are directly from Netter in AIMS exam. Now in physio, you should see all the graphs of genome. Those are very important. Many of the questions are made from those graphs, and the theory written just below the image. It is very important. Coming to the Robbins pathology, all the images you should do from Robbins, because Robbins is standard textbook. Most of the faculty also follow Robbins. Now in micro, you should do from Anantanagar and any parasitology book, because parasitology is one of the favorite topic of AIIMS exam. And coming to PSM, now PSM I did Dr. Mohit Singh's, Dr. Mohit sir's class notes, and they were very good. Especially the most favorite thing of AIIMS is bioextension programs. Most of the questions are made from these two topics. Biostats was very extensively covered in the class, so I was able to solve those questions. And coming to the final prof, most of you have studied just before the internship, so most of them have medicine and surgery strong. But you should see the images, the charts of the Harrison are very important. Most of the questions are directly framed, especially PGI. PGI frame most of the questions from the Harrison charts.
Students should start preparing, starting with the first year and second year subjects, and then moving on. And my next question to sir would be, what was your strategy in last 2 months specifically?
No, I started the preparation in old final because I wanted to make the medicine and surgery strong, because they are very extensive subjects, so I started in old final year. Now I made my medicine and surgery very strong. Then coming to the internship, I started from January the preparation. Because of the internship, you are not able to give that much time. I completed my most of the subjects, most of the syllabus I completed via August and September, so that I could give 2 revisions before the November exam. And then in May I started from January, and I did 3 revisions before the AIIMS exam and the PGI exam. Coming to the last 2 months are very important for your preparations. Now you should, after finishing your syllabus, you should completely revise the syllabus within 1.5 months, and last 15 days are very important. You should revise your weakest topic, which you tend to forget easily. Last 15 days, first of all, you have to see all the pathology images, because that is most students forget, and AIIMS is asking a lot of images these days, so they are very important. Coming to PSM biostats, you should revise within the last 15 days. IE, ENT, ortho you should do, because these subjects decide your rank. Skin anesthesia, radioscopy, these 4 subjects are very important for your rank. Getting a good rank, you should have strong hold on these subjects. And coming to, you should, during your preparation, you should see the most important topics from medicine surgery. For example, you can click a pic in your mobile, and in the last 5-6 days, you should see those images. These are very important, from charts of Harrison's, etc. And in pathology, the markers are very important. PGI markers are the favorite topic. 2 or 3 questions usually come from the markers. And if you should do that well. Now coming to the last day. Last day for AIIMS, 2 things are very important. One is micro, because most of the students forget micro. The images you usually tend to forget, and forensic. Forensic is very important for last day revision, because most of the questions you can get right from forensic.
That's great. So that's the strategy that we need to follow. So sir has told us in a very good way that when to start preparing. That should be in the 3rd year or 4th year of MBBS. 3rd year is ideal, as sir says. And for the last 2 months, preparation should be such that everything should be covered and all the subjects are revised in full. And then if you go for exam, and you definitely crack it, and all the very best to you guys also for the exams that you will be taking. Before I let Dr. Gurpremji go, the last question from my end would be, how NIME was able to help you? Was we good enough to help you in all these things?
NIME, I joined the test series, it was very helpful, and I also attended Dr. Mohit sir's class, it was also very good. Dr. Tarun's pathology was very good, and NIME gave me a good platform. The teachers were very helpful. I could ask my doubt any time of the day, and there was a group which was also very helpful. Most of the doubts I used to put on that. Test center is open 7 days a week. You can come and attend and give the test anytime you want. you can book and give the test. It is very useful. And PGI Quest was a very good thing which NIME conducted this year. It was very helpful in our studies.
And I would like to thank you for coming to us today, and I once again congratulate you for this great achievement that you have done today. So this was Dr. Gurpremjit with us on our 9-year YouTube channel, and we'll be coming up with more interviews like this so that we can help the students. So subscribe to this channel, and thank you very much for this.